how to close your Amazon FBA listing, not permanently but temporarily. So this is one of the basic things which many of the sellers already know, but I have seen that some beginner sellers don't know that. So in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can close any of your Amazon listing temporarily and why you need to do that. Because while selling on Amazon, you might have to face multiple small and big issues in your daily life. But don't worry, I'm here to help you out in all of those issues regarding Amazon or any e-commerce problem for you. So basically, sometime while selling on Amazon, you need to close your listing temporarily because your product might be having less stock, and if you get out of stock, you will lose your listing ranking and BSR. So for that, some people close their listing temporarily until they got the new inventory get back. Because if you close your listing, so that listing will not appear in Amazon searches, and when someone search for that particular product, so they will not be able to see that. And if somehow they will reach out to the listing with a link, so they will not be able to place the order because there will be no add to cart button or place the order button there, right? So in future, there can be multiple reasons for you for which you need to close your listing for some time. So now let me go to my laptop screen and show you how you can close your Amazon listing in just 5 seconds. But before getting started, if you are tired of the daily grind, then let's build the life of freedom together. Join my Facebook group where people of all ages are actually learning how to create passive income by online selling and affiliate marketing with no money. And after joining that Facebook group, you can just shoot me up the message. Then as per your condition, I will guide you the exact roadmap that will actually work. Because if you're not able to make money online yet, that means you're just watching YouTube videos, you're having too many information in your mind and you don't know where to start. So if you learn from my proven strategies which actually work, then you will be able to achieve your goal. So let's start your journey today. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened my Amazon Seller Central. So after opening that dashboard, all you have to do is you have to click on this left menu, go on inventory and click on manage all inventory. So by doing that, you will be able to see the list of all of the products which are present in your Seller Central. So right now in my case, there is only one product. So if you want to close that listing of that product, so from the right side, you have to click on these 3 dots and then you have to scroll down, and there you will see this option says close listing. So if I just click on that, so it will ask me that if I click on close listing, so that listing will be removed from the Amazon product detail page and nobody will be able to find that temporarily, right? So if you want to read that, you can just pause this video and read all of these points. So at this point, if I click on close listing, so that listing will be closed, but it will be still there on my Amazon Seller Central, and in future, whenever I want, I can make that listing active again. So if I click on close, so on the left side, you can see this is active now. But when I close the listing, so this status will convert from active to close, right? So I hope if you were not aware from this thing before, so now you know how to close your Amazon FBA listing. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.